guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing something quite different, but I am in my bathroom again. This is probably the third or fourth video I filmed in my bathroom. Sorry. I know this is not like the most appealing background. I'm sitting on the edge of my tub. But yeah, the light is good. The bathroom light's over my vanity. Today I thought I would share with you what my favorite products in my shower are. And I know that may seem like, what? Because I don't know if anybody has done this. Maybe it's probably been done before and I've just never seen it, but it's certainly probably not a trending or like really popular item to do. But I thought it would be fun because when else, like monthly favorites to me, like they always get away from me. I don't know about you guys, but like I just realized today that I'm like, oh, I didn't do a February favorites either, because I have missed it for many months. If you guys are interested in monthly favorites, let me know down in the comments and I will just like set something on my calendar to remind myself. It would be a fun video to do every month and I just always forget. Like I know I upload regularly, but like that is one thing I forget. Also, elephant in the room, if you're seeing my hair, it is silver, but I use a temporary hair color and I like kind of sprayed it all over. It's actually really cute. It's called Hush. I'll link it for you so you guys can check it out. I worked an entire day. My makeup is weird, doesn't quite go with my hair. I don't know, but I do have the new Kat Von D Divine lipstick on and I have to say, that color. So if you want to see what my favorite things in my shower are, then keep watching. Let's start with hair, because obviously hair is one of the important things that we do in our shower. You know, gotta wash the silver out. So I'll tell you guys, I have the Verb Go shampoo and conditioner. I do have large sizes. So right now this has been like my favorite thing. And I feel like this really hydrates my hair, but at the same time, it doesn't weigh it down. I have very fine hair, so that's what I like about this. I also feel like with this one, I really don't have a need to use like detangler. My hair is just really easy to comb through or brush through after I shower. And I have to be super careful that like I don't have tangles because my hair will easily break, especially when it's wet. So yeah, Go shampoo and conditioner. I did get the big sizes from a friend who works at a like salon place so they could get the bigger sizes, which was a great deal, but they're not bad. The regular sizes that's 4, I think, are 16. One more thing I have to say is I love these. So I have it on my conditioner bottle, which is one of those little stretchy, plasticky little hair ties. And I can't remember what they're called. I will link those down below as well. I'll try to put everything in the description box, but these, I think they're from Sephora. I know you can get them other places. They have a name brand. Ooh, the name brand is Invisibobble. That's the one that these are. I know that you can probably find them in other places, maybe really cheap. I know that these are good though, because once they get stretched out, which this one's actually a little stretched out, I can just use my blow dryer and heat them up really quick. You can also like put them in hot water and they'll shrink back up. I usually just like throw my blow dryer on it and it's perfect. Whether I'm using Ghost conditioner or if I'm doing like a hair mask, which I will occasionally do, I will kind of put my mask up and then I'll kind of just do a bun and like wrap this around it a couple of times. And that way all of my hair is up. And I love to, like when I wash my body, I always put my hair up. Maybe that's weird. That's like I have to do that. Because once I started doing it, it's like, oh, it makes so much sense. I can wash my back and it's not in my hair. And sometimes I'll use like scented, fragrant body washes that probably aren't the best for my skin, but I don't want them in my hair because I don't want to dry my hair out, if that makes sense. So I always use these in my shower. They are so handy. You can slip them over top your shampoos, conditioners, face washes. So they're just really useful and handy in the shower. Now we'll work our way down to face. So one thing that I usually have in my shower, and sometimes I forget to charge it and then it's not in my shower. Probably wondering what I'm talking about. But I have my Clarisonic Mia 2 in my shower. It is a game changer for skin in my opinion, because once you start using it, you really see a difference in your skin. If you're using it right. I mean, maybe not every single person, but for me, it's a big deal. So the Clarisonic for me gives me a really deep cleanse. I definitely see a difference in my pores and I don't break out as often. And I also feel like because I'm cleansing so thoroughly that everything else is working better, because if you're not getting all that like dirt and oil and makeup off, like how is everything else supposed to work right? that's how my mind works, because I'm a skincare junkie too. So right now I have the Radiance brush head on it, which is the pink one, but I love this. It is literally, I just charged it up too. It gives such a good clean, but it's not spinning. Like, I would never do a cleansing device that had a spinning motion. It's like, no, you don't need to pull your skin like that. This one just goes like back and forth, like super, super fast in a small little narrow window, so it doesn't pull. It just kind of flushes out your skin. So I really love it. I've used it for years. I had a Mia 2 that eventually died on me, like the battery wouldn't charge. So I did get another one, and hands down, my skin is different because of this. So when I don't use it for a week or two, I'm like, ugh, what am I doing? So this is back in my shower, and it's definitely there to stay. I also have an exfoliator in my shower. I find that this one just is a little bit easier to use in the shower because it rinses away super clean. It's the Ulla Henriksen Walnut Complexion Scrub. The package is different now. I'm pretty sure I picked this one up at TJ Maxx, but this has the walnut powder, ginseng, and chamomile, and I feel like this just does a really good job of exfoliating. The common misconception is that this is exfoliating, but really it's deep cleansing, whereas this is an exfoliator. So, and probably people would tell you not to do them at the same time. My skin can handle a lot of exfoliation now. That was built up over years, but I use this like maybe every other day or every 3 days as a good scrub. I currently have 2 cleansers in my shower, and they're for specific different reasons. So like I said, I do a lot of exfoliation, so this may seem like a lot, but I do love my Peter Thomas Roth Anti-Aging Cleansing Gel. As you can see, I have gone through a lot of this bottle, and it really does last a crazy long time because it's a huge, huge size. 8.5 ounces for a cleanser is huge. So if you ever look at this and you're like, why is that so expensive? It lasts so long. I think I've probably had this in my shower for already 4 or 5 months, and I have still a really good amount in there. So this one has the glycolic acid. It also has a little bit of salicylic acid, citric acid, so it really helps to deep cleanse, but also it is chemically exfoliating the skin. So usually I don't really use these together. I will use this with my Clarisonic, and I feel like I'm getting super, super cleansed and exfoliated at the same time. And then when my skin is a little bit sensitive, which is right now, I'm dealing with a lot of sensitivity, I will use the Skin Laundry Gentle Foaming Face Wash. I kind of changed this out with others, but I love this one. We carried it in my Sephora for a short while, and then we actually got rid of it, and I was very sad. The full size is only $20, and it's a pretty big size too. Maybe not as big as the PTR, but really good, super gentle. It doesn't dry you out, but it also cleanses well. So I feel like sometimes gentle cleansers, like they almost don't do enough. Like I need more cleansing. So sometimes I shy away from them, but this one, so good. I got it in gratis the first time, and then I bought a kit that had it in it just because I wanted this and a couple other products. Definitely worth trying if you are sensitive, and they do have one for dry skin and they have one for oily skin as well. Moving down, so we've done hair and face. Now it's time for body products. So I only have a couple in my shower right now, and these change out probably more frequently than anything else because I feel like I use body washes a lot, and this one's probably not the best for your skin, but I don't remember to wear a lot of fragrance, so me putting on shower gel and lotion is usually like how I smell good. Is that weird? Because I have perfumes, and then half the time I just do not remember to put them on. It's a problem. So right now I'm using the Bath & Body Works Tahiti Island Dream. I'm pretty sure I got this last year. You guys, I have a video that's old. It's a pretty low quality video, I'm not gonna lie, because it was before I got my camera and my light and all that, but I did a collection of all my Bath & Body Works stuff, so much, ridiculous amount, so I try not to buy very often, and I just kind of pull from my stash what I like. So that's what the bottle looks like. It does smell really, really good. It says this one's coconut, mandarin, kiwi,
frangipani, lush frangipani, no idea what that is,
and then Tahitian vanilla musk. And I feel like this one is very tropical. Like, if Tahiti smelled like this, it would be amazing. Like fruity and then tropical. It's very good. I love this one. And these, I do feel the need to lotion when I use these, but I don't think they over dry my skin, if that makes sense. But it smells really good, and I do feel quite clean when I use these. And I know I'm not alone. Another body product that I have in there, which I just put this scent in. I had a different scent that I used up completely. So this is the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Body Cleansing Butter. So this is definitely, it's a little bit thicker. It's not very foamy. It's got like a little froth to it, but this is very hydrating. So typically when my skin is feeling extra dry, this is what I reach for. Let me see the name on it. And this one is Vanilla Apricot, which is definitely one of my all-time favorite scents from Josie Maran. Oh my God, like the sweetness with the fruitiness of the apricot. Sometimes a lot of fruity scents are very citrusy. This one is not. You smell like apricots and cream and a little hint of vanilla, and it's so good. But I love to use these when my skin is dry because I typically have pretty dry skin overall, and I hate feeling dry. Like I hate this feeling of tight skin, like it's being stretched because it's so dry. Can't do it. So sometimes I will use this and then use lotion, or if it's in the summertime and I am like rushing and I don't want to put on lotion, I'll use this alone. That way my skin's got a little bit of hydration and I don't have to worry about putting on lotion, because sometimes you in a hurry, you know what I mean? So that's the Vanilla Apricot, and I love that scent, and I love that scent in the body butter too. So one more thing I have to talk about is my razor. You're probably gonna hear the name and think this video is like sponsored or that they sent it to me, but none of that is true, literally none of it. I do get Dollar Shave Club. So that's what I use for all my razors, and I will show you what I got. I won't show you the blade. It's got several blades, but I'm not gonna show you up close because I've used this one. It's too much info, but I use these constantly. My boyfriend actually is the one who has a subscription and pays for it. He got me a handle as well as one for himself. This is the one with 6 blades, so I feel like this one's definitely a good, really good shave. So before, in years past, I used to buy like Venus razors, and of course, like when I was, you know, 19, I thought that was the most amazing razor on the planet and was willing to spend the like $4,000 to buy them. But razors are so expensive, and it's just not something that I want to put a lot of money into. So we pay, you know, less than $10 a month. I'm pretty sure that this one's like $8. I think they're like 2, 4, 6, 8 or something like that, but really affordable, really great razors. We are never low on our razor heads because we can order as much as we need. Definitely great for one person, and we both use them. And maybe in the summertime we might need to like up it and get a few more because I'll be shaving my legs much more often. Whereas now I'm like every few days is enough. So yeah, I love Dollar Shave Club. Totally not sponsored. I've never even talked to them at all. It's just something that I really love. So Zach got me hooked on it. At first I was like, oh, but it's not cute, but I really don't care because it's a great razor and it doesn't waste money. So those are all of my favorite in-shower products right now. I hope this video was not too boring and stupid. Like maybe this is content that you're like, what is she talking about? But if you like this type of videos or you have other ideas that you'd like to see, then definitely drop that in the comments below. And of course, if you like it, then leave me a thumbs up. Let me know that you do, because I will definitely do more videos like this if you enjoy it. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah!